If you have any brightly coloured sweets left lying around the place, this is a good way to stop you and your children eating them. Making simple patterns on a plate and pouring in some warm water and just watch the magic happen. So this one is my daughter. She has put these sweets all the way around the edge and carefully poured in warm water just so that it's kind of filling the bottom half of the sweets, and look how it goes. So now she's adding a second layer, trying to get the colours to meet. Possibilities are endless. You can try all kinds of different patterns and just watch them melt away.